Hello, it is your girl Jay, and today I am so excited. Yes, I am amazing because let me tell you something. It is going to be Super Bowl weekend, and we are having a party. Not only are we having a party, we are having a Super Bowl style party. But guess what? It is going to be the world's largest travel party. Yes, how exciting. Because guess what? Coach done called to play. He called to play, and we will be breaking down. We will be running down how we save on all the travel, on going to these amazing locations with monuments that have been around years and hundreds of years, going to hotels in different countries where they have those breathtaking views. Okay, trying different and amazing cuisine. That's delicioso. Being able to save on those exact same trips. See, we're not saying to you, you don't have the money. We're saying to you, why spend so much of your hard-earned money on these exact same trips that you can be going on for so much less? See, let me tell you, if you can save on your shoe shopping, if you can save on your groceries or some laundry detergent, why not go ahead and save on your travel? Oh, and go ahead and make it rain in them other areas that you want. But go ahead and be treated like the queen or king that you are, but keep so much money, hundreds and thousands of money in your pocket, in the bank, and have an amazing time. So we are going to be having a world largest travel party. We're going to be giving away, have some giveaways for our guests, and guess what? It is going to be fun because not only are we going to show you how you can save when you travel, not only are we going to show you how you can travel the world more than you probably do now, but we're going to show you how you can make some money. Touchdown! Yes, because you can go on those same locations and those trips and come back home with a CHECK. See, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, I love that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. And so if you are here in Philadelphia, you can come on out and have an amazing time. But if you are not in Philly, don't you worry. We have got you covered because we are going to be streaming it live. So you can have an invite to that, and you can go ahead and find out how you can make money, have fun, travel the world, and have so much fun in the process, because we are looking for people who are motivated, who love to travel, who love to have fun, and looking to make some big moves, okay? Because that's what we love to do. I'm so excited, yes, and I just can't hide it. I know. I want you to come on out and join us and have a great time. Contact me, DM me for more information, because I am so excited and want you to find out what all this is about, because it has definitely changed my life. I have just had some amazing experiences. I know so many people that it has just touched and then just been a wonderful experience, because why not travel more times, have less stress? We are working so hard. Why not alleviate the stress and make some money doing what we love? So go ahead and DM me. I look forward to talking to you. And until the next one, laugh, love, and live life to the fullest. And don't forget to live your passion. Bye.